Alrighty, y'all. So now we're going to look at a different type of wave. For our second demonstration, we're going to look at this thing called a longitudinal wave. Alright? So we're going to look at various compressions and how a compression goes from one end to the other end of the table through the slinky. Now this one's going to have a little bit of data involved into it, so I'm going to time myself using the slinky, and you're going to look at how many compressions happen within a 10-second time frame. I have my phone here, which will act as my timer, and so when I start, I'll hit my timer for 10 seconds, and you'll count how many different compressions happened in that time. Before we start though, I want to kind of show what a longitudinal wave looks like. So a longitudinal wave, we notice that throughout, the slinky parts are compressing against each other at every single moment, and then bouncing back towards its starting point. This is what longitudinal waves look like. Rather than the transverse waves of, going like this, but they are still considered waves. They're just another kind. So, we're going to start doing our trial. So we're at 10 seconds, and so we're going to count how many different wave patterns went through in that 10 seconds. We're going to do 5 different trials, and I'm going to increase the amount of waves which go into the slinky each given time. So without further ado, let's start. Alright, that was our 10 seconds. I can rerun that. Now we're going to go on to our second trial. So I'm going to make it go a little bit quicker. So 3, 2, 1. So that was our second trial. It was a little bit quicker. Make sure you're paying attention so you can get your data right. Now we're going to go on to our third trial. I'm going to go even faster here. So 3, 2, 1. That was our third trial. Fourth trial, I'm going to go even quicker. Alright, let's see what happens. And on to our fifth and final trial. I'm going to try to make this thing go as quickly as possible through its wave pattern. So we'll see how successful I am. Alright, let's see what happens. In 3, 2, 1. Alright, make sure to get that data down, and we'll talk about that meeting and discuss what was going on in that demonstration. Thanks, y'all.